These seedlings are thriving in the nutrient-rich soil. Indeed, the leaves are a healthy green. Let's check the thorns on this one. The spines are developing well. Good. Let's check the next bed.
These look promising, checking for even spikes. Yes, and the color is uniform, a good sign. Let's inspect this one closely for growth. Firm texture, it's ripening well.
The trellis system supports these vigorous vines well. Indeed, and the fruit set is excellent. Drip irrigation here maintains optimal soil moisture, a key factor in the fruit quality. Place them gently. They bruise easily. Understood. These crates are filling fast. Good. Keep the rows clear. This batch looks excellent.
Look at this one. The color is vibrant. Yes, but feel the texture. Is it firm enough? This one is perfect. The spines are sharp. Good. Let's get several like this.
Initiating scan for export certification. Scanner active, checking for defects. Scan complete, no issues detected. Excellent. Applying the certified label. Proceeding to the next batch.
Load the horn melon crates into this one. Careful with the stack, watch the clearance. That's the last one, seal it up. The shipment is ready. All crates are stacked. Good. Let's review the documents. Here's the invoice and certificate. The quantity and destination match. Approved. This sample has good drainage. See the particles? Yes, it crumbles well. What about moisture? We can adjust with compost. Let's test pH. Good, the plants will thrive. Exactly, we'll optimize yield. Welcome. These horn melons thrive in our soil.
They're so spiky. How do you farm them?
We use natural compost and mulch for moisture. And no chemicals? None. We let nature do the work.
Let's prepare this fresh horned melon. Slicing reveals the vibrant green flesh. The texture is unique and refreshing. Perfect for a healthy, exotic dish.
The horn melon is a unique fruit with many health benefits. It is packed with vitamin C, which boosts your immune system. Its high water and fiber content helps with hydration and digestion. It's a great addition to any diet.
Okay, checking horn melon batch A47 for consistency.
Under 400x, the cellular structure is uniform.
Good. Note any deviations in the log.
None. This batch passes.
As shown on the screens, global horn melon production has increased by 15% since 2020. Kenya leads with 45,000 metric percent growth by 2025, driven by new markets. Gentlemen, these are our horn melons. The tech here is revolutionary. Impressive. The yields must be excellent. Exactly. We're projecting a 30% increase. The automation is very efficient. Indeed, a smart investment.
In this controlled greenhouse, horn melon plants thrive. Their vines stretch and leaves unfurl under ideal conditions. The spiky fruits grow plump, ready for harvest, a testament to precision agriculture.
Team, let's move! We have a large field to cover.
Yes, the yield is good. Keep the baskets moving.
I'm on it. These spiky ones are tough. Good work, team. Let's keep this pace up.
The branding is strong, but let's check the visuals. Agreed, the colors pop, but the layout could be tighter. Good point. We should emphasize the exotic angle more. Let's mock that up.
These horn melons look excellent today.
Yes, and the color is so vibrant.
Fresh from the farm this morning. We'll take these two, please.
And this one as well.
Excellent choice. Welcome. This facility maintains optimal conditions for horn melon freshness. Our systems control temperature, humidity, and airflow. This ensures our produce stays fresh for months. Here is a perfectly preserved horn melon.
The horn melon shipment from Kenya is on schedule. Let me check the real-time GPS data. Confirmed, the shipment is now crossing into the UAE. ETA is on track for tomorrow.
These are the new varieties. Variety A has excellent drought resistance.
Impressive. And the yield on variety B?
20% higher in our trials. Excellent. Variety C's pest tolerance will be key.
This facility safeguards the genetics of horn melon. Controlled conditions ensure seed viability and purity. Premium horn melon genetics are meticulously preserved. Here, agricultural innovation is secured.
We need to discuss our strategies for the horned melons. Planting earlier has given better yields and more irrigation during fruiting. Good. We must also monitor for pests. A natural spray should work.
Today, we will learn about the horn melon. Why is it called that? Because of these spikes, it needs sandy soil. How deep do we plant it? About 3 centimeters. Watch.
This is the quality grading table for horn melons. Melons are grouped by size, small, medium, and large, and by color consistency, uniform or variable. This ensures consistent quality for the market. Best inspection report is attached here.
And the quality grade is A?
Yes, confirmed. Packaging is also verified. Good. Let's get the final signatures.
Approving now. Welcome to our booth. We're excited to showcase the horn melon, a premium desert-grown product. Its unique, spiky texture and exotic dishes. It's also highly nutritious and versatile. How can we help you today?
Let's look at the global demand trends for horn melon. As you can see, demand has grown steadily since 2018. The Asia-Pacific region leads the market, with North America and Europe emerging.
Check for ripeness, not just size. The spike should be firm.
Yes, Supervisor. This batch looks good.
Good. Keep the pace steady and fill the baskets evenly.
Understood. Moving to the next row.
Temperature sensors are deployed to monitor storage conditions, ensuring the preserved horn melons maintain optimal quality. Real-time data is displayed, with alerts triggered guarantees consistent product integrity.
These are ready for the bags. Okay, I'll start on this side. Careful, they are very spiky. Yes, I'm being gentle.
Final check on the horned melons. Let's confirm the quality. Agreed. The spikes are firm, no discoloration. Good. Let's stamp and seal this crate. Stamped, ready for shipment.
Our analysis shows the horn melon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. The dietary fiber content is also significantly high. These results highlight its potential for health benefits. Let's make a refreshing drink with this incredible horn melon. First, we slice it open to reveal the vibrant green pulp. Now, we scoop the pulp into our pitcher, stir it up, and it's ready to enjoy.
Welcome. The horned melon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants.
Yes, and market projections show 20% growth for exotic fruits.
Its unique look and bent, this positions us perfectly for future opportunity.
This water recycling plant supports sustainable horn melon agriculture by treating and distributing water efficiently. This synergy can process water while conserving reliable resources for the future.
These vines are looking strong. Let me check a leaf. No discoloration. Veins are good. This one is healthy.
Let's review the horn melon export metrics.
Volume is up, but so are quality incidents.
The returns are mostly from Asia. Let's discuss strategies to
We could enhance inspections.
Agreed. And train the packers. Scanning horn melon boxes for inventory. First box scanned successfully. Moving to the next shelf.
A fine harvest today, brother. Indeed, the melons are perfect. A blessing from the earth. Let's get these to market.
The yield patterns for horn melon are updating. Growth in the central region.
I see it. The heat map shows a 15% increase.
Excellent. Let's optimize the irrigation model.
Agreed. Running the simulation.
Crop rotation is essential for sustainable horn melon farming. After the melons, plant legumes to fix nitrogen and improve soil. This cycle reduces pests and boosts yields for future seasons.
We ensure consistent quality by hand-pollinating each female flower. Gently transfer the pollen from the male to the female flower's stigma. This controlled process guarantees uniform, high-quality horn melons.
Let's get these samples ready for the buyers. I'm on it. These are the best ones. The trays are almost done. Perfect. They'll be impressed. This batch is ready.
Doors closing on horn melon shipment. All secure.
This batch looks good. Grade A. Confirmed. Moving to cataloging. Scanner active. Labels printing.
Check the sensors. Holding at 5.2? Yes, stable. But let's adjust to 5.5. Agreed. The logs are clean. Adjusting now.
Welcome to the center, where we advance horn melon sustainability. Our research cuts water use by 30% and boosts yields by 25%. Smart irrigation systems like this one advance your sustainable future.
Team, let's review the horn melon branding for global markets.
The visuals are strong, but we need cultural tweaks for Asia.
Agreed. Let's align the messaging with local preferences.
Fix your paint data for fresh packing. This is promising. These horn melons look so fresh and exotic.
Yeah, I've heard they're great in smoothies.
I'm definitely getting a cue.
Baba, look at these. They're so spiky.
Yes, they're called horned melons. Let's pick one. Feel it gently. It should be firm.
This one feels perfect.
Good choice. We'll take it.
The data confirms it. Horn melon is high in vitamin C and fiber, and the benefits for digestion and immunity look solid. Exactly. Let's pull up the charts and finalize the summary. Agreed. The abstract is ready.
Flight HM 4567 from Nairobi is airborne. 5
Connecting to Dubai for refuel. ETA Chicago is 14:30.
fresh. Good.
On it. All systems green.
The melons are perfect this year. Yes, a bountiful harvest. Keep them coming. Almost done with this row.